Hi, I'm Joe, one of the co-founders here at Manoeuvre Climbing, where we've designed and developed a first-of-its-kind fixture-free hangboard that makes training for rock climbing easier than ever before. So for those days when you're unable to get outside climbing on the real rock, hangboarding is one of the best ways to maintain and increase your grip strength, helping you maximise your potential as a climber. So no more excuses, it's time to come hang with us. But before you do, let's jump in and show you some of the features that make the Manoeuvre board so unique. Having partnered with a leading international design firm with over 35 years of experience, we've created a product that is simply designed, reliable, durable, and most importantly, a product that we love using. Installation of the board is simple. The adjustable frame has been designed to fit a wide range of standard board widths. Simply set it to your desired size using the quick release clamp, then tighten the screw at the rear to lock it in place. We've created a beautifully crafted product that you'll be happy to leave mounted in between sessions. But the frame has also been designed so that it can be separated from the board, then compacted down, allowing for convenient storage or travel. Want to use the board outside? No problem. Simply rope it up, hang it up, and warm up before a day's climbing at the crag. Despite our focus of keeping the board as compact and portable as possible, we haven't compromised on its functionality. The board is shoulder width and is mounted above the door frame, allowing for a natural body position and maximum height whilst hanging. The board also boasts a range of gently rounded holds, from depths of 15mm through to 60mm, as well as two 20-degree slopers up top, providing incremental progression for a complete training routine. Made from poplar wood, the board itself is both lightweight and strong, as well as having a consistent grain throughout, allowing for a hand-sanded finish that delivers a natural and ergonomic feel, whilst being gentle on your skin. And finally, on the back of the board, you'll find natural cork padding to help protect your walls from any marking. So whether you're just starting out at your local climbing gym, solving V10 boulder problems, or sending multi-pitch epics, then the Manoeuvre board is the training partner for you. Truly a first-of-its-kind hangboard, and we hope you're as stoked as we are about what we've come up with. Excitingly, we're now ready to launch our first ever production run. But we need your help, so please go ahead and back us by choosing one of the rewards below. Thank you so much for your support. It's hang time.